to my show, and I hope you're ready for episode 2, which is it's going to be a really good episode because today we are. What are we making, Dale? Remember, it's ready.
Sticky, crunchy Asian chicken wings.
That's it, yeah. So we've got sticky, crunchy Asian chicken wings, and they're so tasty. You gotta do it. You guys will love them. It's the best like party food. Yeah, I made some the other night. Went over to my brother's place. Yeah, Uncle Casey's place, and they got devoured. They were a real hit and super easy.
Friend's house yesterday. It was
Didn't
fun.
we last night
Yeah.
for barbecue?
Yeah, we were having campfire.
It was good, wasn't it? Yeah, all your kids were running around everywhere having a ball.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I have. That's what we have for you guys today, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'll now move on to the ingredients, guys. Like this is a fun bit. Hey, I've like been planning and on how to improve the show, and so this episode I'm introducing a new method which you'll see shortly. All right, see you soon. Bye. Okay, so we're going to take our chicken wings and we're going to separate it at the joint here, like down in there, and that's going to give us a mini drumstick. Hey guys, so it's all done. We've got our sticky, crispy Asian chicken wings out of the oven and they're all coated in the sticky sauce. And now we're about to try it out. So anyway, here it is. Voila!
Wow. Also smells like chocolate. It smells yummy.
Alright, so let's try it out, kids. What do you reckon? Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a little drumstick or a wing? Wow.
It's hot.
It's hot?
It's too hot.
Oh no, too hot
I
is
got a
it?
little bit.
Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah. I better try a piece. They look good. Oh.
Yeah. I tasted blood.
That is freaking awesome. Not as crispy as they were last time, but hey, you can't always get it perfect. But it's pretty damn good. Anyhow, you'll love it. Trust me. You want it?
I'm not really hungry.
Oh, that's alright, my darling. So, anyway, thanks heaps for tuning in and joining us for episode 2 of our new show. Having heaps of fun, and I'm going to keep bringing lots of good recipes to share with you guys. So, give us a big thumbs up.
Can we do my favourite thing, the pie thing?
What?
Show them how to make that.
Yeah, which one?
Pie thing.
Oh, a pie? Yeah, sure.
Because I like it.
We can do that. Hello, mister. He's Noah, he's come.
What's your favourite?
You going to try some?
It's yum. We made it. We're good.
Have you got the drumsticks or the wings?
Sticky.
Oh, yeah.
It's sticky. It says sticky. Hot. Just take the skin off. I don't really like this one, but it's yummy. It's hot.
Alright. You going to tell everybody what it tastes like?
Tastes like
Or too hot to eat?
The sweet thing. It tastes like chocolate. The sweet thing tastes like
Sweet chocolate.
sweet, like. This is why it tastes like chocolate, because we put brown sugar in.
We did, didn't we?
That
We
makes-
put lots of goodies in there.
That makes it sweet.
It does. It does. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. I hope you really enjoyed the episode. And yeah, give us a big thumbs up if you would. And like, please do
Comment
share.
down below.
I hope you're loving it. Love you guys. See you next time.
I hope we go to 1,000 likes.
1,000? Yeah, we want 1,000
No,
likes. Everyone,
no.
1,000 likes.
No, we need 1 million.
1 million subscribers. Jump on. Tell everyone.
Yeah, tell your family to subscribe our video.
Yeah, if you would. That'd be awesome. Alright. See you next time. Alright, bye folks.
It's too hot for me.